Tim Stauffer, certainly not the biggest name in a division that boasts Ubaldo Jimenez and Tim Lincecum, just to name a couple, but in September you can argue that no one in the National League came up bigger than Tim Stauffer. 6 September starts, only 7 runs allowed. Chop ball, second base. 4, 6, 3, double play, and there was danger afoot there with Huff and Posey.
Great players that have worn the Giants uniform here in San Francisco.
Tim Stauffer, as we've talked about, really hitting his stride the last several weeks. He strikes out Pat Burrell.
Easy to see why he's been so successful.
In there, and Cody Ross was pretty sure. In play, Stauffer's got it.
He's making it look easy, isn't he?
He really is. He's been amazing, something like that. Just signing all these big names. Fontenot strikes out. Got him on the outside corner.